Mobile massage therapy is just as professional as going to a spa or massage parlor. Only difference is we take extra precautions not to be unprofessional. For instance, when we walk into your home, we expect you to be dressed in a robe or clothes. If not, the therapist will simply step out until you are. Once the massage therapist enters the home, the client will escort the therapist to the area where they'll be working, preferably a living room, den, or a sitting area. No massages will be performed in the bedroom to prevent any misconceptions or unprofessionalism. Once the therapist checks the area to see if it's safe, large enough, and there's an outlet to use, they will begin setting up the equipment. Once the equipment is set up, the therapist will begin going over the intake that was previously filled out by the client before the session started. This is the perfect time to ask any questions that you may have to the therapist. Oh, and be prepared. The therapist will arrive about 15 to 20 minutes earlier than your appointment starts to set up, prep you for the session, and answer any questions that you may have before the session starts. Now that the equipment has been set up, the intake form has gone over, and all questions have been answered, it's time to start the massage. The massage therapist will now instruct the client to disrobe to their comfort level and what position to get onto the table underneath the sheet. Before those instructions are followed, the therapist will go to the nearest restroom and wash their hands and close the door. Once the door is closed, the client will then disrobe to their comfort level, get underneath the sheet, and be in the position that was instructed by the massage therapist. Once the client is ready, the client will notify the therapist, and the therapist will come out the restroom and then start the massage. After the massage is over, the therapist will let the client know, walk to the restroom, close the door. The client will then get dressed. Once the client is dressed, the client will let the therapist know that they are dressed, and then the massage therapist will come out the restroom and then begin to break down equipment. Once the equipment is broken down and ready to go, the massage therapist will begin to talk to you about the findings and how your body adjusted, the things you reacted, how did you feel, how you will feel in the next couple days. She will talk to you about hydrating, she will talk to you about stretching, and then get you on a treatment plan. If you are highly stressed and she feels a lot of tension going throughout your body, more than likely she will want to see you within the next week or two. If you feel less stress and there's not too much tension in your body, then she will want to see you within the month. And then she will want to talk to you about treatment goals, because after all, we all know that massages are beneficial to the body and you should be getting them on a regular basis. I hope this video gives you a better idea of what to expect when you book a mobile massage therapy appointment. Hope to see you soon.